Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create WhatsApp link. A WhatsApp link is an URL address that opens a chat on WhatsApp. That way, people can start a conversation without saving the contact's phone number. Individuals and businesses use these links on mobile phones and websites. Share them on different platforms, and embed them in image. Regarding business needs, companies use WhatsApp links to connect with their customers, improve customer support, and more. Depending on the purpose, you might like to use one of the three types of WhatsApp links. More about them. The first one is direct link or WhatsApp click to chat. This link type lets users send a message to someone directly without saving their WhatsApp phone number first. Here's the direct link format. Go to your notes, then type https double dot and double slash wa.me. Wa stands for WhatsApp.me / your phone number in international. For example, if you're creating a click-to-chat link for a phone number in the US or Philippines, the link would look like this. Note that you don't need to add the plus if your country code contains it and any special characters. WhatsApp links are a great way to connect with your audience. They provide a quick and easy way for customers to contact you. WhatsApp links can be used to provide customer service and support. This can help build customers' loyalty and trust, as customers know when they can easily reach out to you with any questions or concerns they may have. Creating a WhatsApp link is simple and straightforward. Once you have created your link, you can easily add to your website and social media profiles. Allowing multiple agents to handle messages with a single WhatsApp number lets you improve customer service and response sometimes. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.